Okay guys, today I will unboxing another electrical appliance. What is that? This is the refrigerator. As 2 weeks ago, my refrigerator that complained the issue was the motor doesn't function, and the second concern is the cooling system is not cold enough. Therefore, today I will bring you guys to see my new refrigerator, and the old one we will going to recycle into machinery shop. Let's see, go. Okay, my old products was Gold Star. Now, this Gold Star company was already taken as the LG. My old refrigerator is 3 layer. The first one is the frozen area, and the second level is the cooling level, and the third one is the normal, like putting fruits and vegetable, all that. And the motor system already dysfunctions. But what I think is, recently all that things the water was leakage out at the back, so the new ones was arrival. Let's see. At 3 p.m. the worker from the electrical shops have coming. Only 2 workers work since today is Sunday. They are attempts to deliver our refrigerator on time. They also collect the old refrigerator at glance, therefore that need to take some time. The trolley was prepared well at the site, waiting the another workers to sending out, unload down the refrigerator. Wow, I am excited how they are going to load off the new refrigerator. Come on, man. Slowly. Wow, having a good arm here. Oh my god, my old refrigerator going to recycle at the machinery shop. Seem to be sad. To be honest, there is nothing sad here since it's back to us 30 years ago when I was born. Oh, no. Now we are going to see how the 2 workers going to unbox the new refrigerator. They take off the bubble wrap. Okay, declutter everything first. And then they take off the plastic paper slowly to make it incline 45 degrees to push into our house. Okay, going to push at the bottom there, having a roller. It make all the stuff being easy, right? Push to the exact positions. Okay. My dad attempt to complete the remaining transactions to the core worker of the electrical shops. Wow, good. Nice. Okay, this is my new refrigerator. The brand is Toshiba, 5-star, and then energy consumption is extremely low, 350 kilowatt per hour. In other words, it's quite safe for energy. Here says 2-year warranty and 12-year warranty, compressor warranty. That is the motor system. It was 12 years. Another is made from Japan quality. So far, in general, we know that Japan's product is quite good, but the molding, all the process is made from China. Okay, here we see the indication here. It says guarantee original fresh. I don't know, maybe it's original fresh. Then the serial number is GRRT 624WE. Dimensions is 700 with 691 the diameter, the depth, alright, and 1880 the height is per millimeter. Inverter, that means the air inside the refrigerator is recycling and ensure that it's the bacteria free. The pure bionic, all the bacteria can be filtered out via the burner. And third one is humidity control. It ensures that enough aeration, all the vegetable and fruit put inside doesn't rotten. The color code is black. I give you to see here. Okay. The upper part is original inverter. So when the air wants to connect the fuse, the air will come out from there, and these 2 holes, the bar hole here and come out from here. So it's double layer. Let's look at here. You can put all the favorite drink and all all that sauce to ensure that it's fresh meat. Okay, the lower layer here is cooling zone. Whatever the frozen meat, the chickens was put at the upper part, we need to defrost. So we will normally put at this zone first to give it defrost. All the ice was transferred to the water. Okay, that one. Okay, this design is their design. I don't know. Okay. And that one is for the ice maker. Ice maker, you can make ice, whatever the carbonated drink not enough cold, then we can put some ice here. And that one is the sections to put the vegetable and fruits. So when we put vegetable, we will turn this switch at here. Whatever we want to turn, put the fruits inside, so we just press here. So very simple. Okay, how many layers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus. This one is I don't know why it's put it, but the seller that told us is put the cosmetic product. But if you want to put the drink or the fruit juice, you can put here lah. Yeah, that is all the unboxing for this new refrigerator. Yes, thank you. Guys, now is 10:48 p.m. at the night. After 5 hours of let's stabilize the refrigerator, here is the update here. Okay, let's see how my mother going to declutter everything. The upper top frozen part still doesn't put anything inside. Okay, but for here I just test for the ice maker, see whether it functions or dysfunction. Okay, we're going to see the bottom level. The cooling zone remain nothing, and all the things my mother was put the tomatoes and all the garlic, all the milk, all the chocolates, all the jam at here. At the second row, third row is all the drink, the carbonated drink, and the last row here is putting the fruits. We need to maintain it fresh, therefore we just put it. Then the highlight here I want to mention is I very like for the light. The light system is quite bright compared to my oldest refrigerator. You can see it here, and here is prepared well for the egg holder. We can stock it like that, very simple, and you don't see messy here. Okay, you just open like that, put your any drink you want to put inside, let's say wine. Okay, then here just all the cooking stuff at here. Okay, the milk is here, can see it, right? Okay, but the things that I tackle is now the cooling at the lower part, bottom part, we say that still not achieve the maximum cooling. I can feel it just a normal temperature. Perhaps this is a new, therefore we need to wait for another second day. Perhaps it will going to work function, right? So, and outside here I just put all the menu, that what place that I'm going to visit, just collections of all the read here. Okay, so upper here we still have a light at this side. Okay, here mentioned origins inverter. We share that the inverter is very safe for electrical. Okay, you see, wow, so cool. Oh my god, here is the normal switch. You can like that, close, open, like that, just simple as that, right? And the things I say that the motor system for now the refrigerator at the side where the old refrigerator is located in the back side, but now since need to a good ventilation is put the outside where here. That means whenever we want to have a good aeration to come out, doesn't overheat, right? I can feel it hot here. Okay, therefore my decision that I will give my advice to my parents not to put all their sauce at here. This cause if we overheat all that glasses product will be fragile. That is a very dangerous act. Okay, seem to good, right? At the upper tops we put the fans because whenever my moms and or my father to cooks quite hot, need to have a blow out all the air outside lah. That is the unboxing last part update, and we will see you. Guys, I need to summarize my final note here. After I review the new refrigerator, the brand is Toshiba, right? So why my parents trying to purchase 2-door instead of the modern 4-door? They say that two represent the pair gives that a fortunes. That is a quite traditional taboo here, as my parents coming from a traditional Chinese, they're really significance for that's the good luck and give you a best fortunes there. I don't smile because I learning all the things coming from the Western mindset. Therefore, whatever I see that is suitable, my point of view, I will directly to purchase regardless every aspect I need to take it account. So one things I want to highlight here is typically you guys will ask me how much it cost me to buy this refrigerator. Just now I trying to ask my parents, and my parents there, the refrigerators cost us 2,099 ringgit net, not include the delivery fees, and we need to take it into account the old ones need to recycle into the machinery shop, right? At the beginning of the video I mentioned there. So if we total out, sum out, is roughly like 3,500 can settle everything. Wow, seems like not a cheaper one, but also for the mid-range families can be affordable. If you guys really like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the like for these videos, and I will continue to make more unboxing videos for you guys. Comment down below what are the brands of your guys refrigerator buys, trying to share, and don't forget, stay tuned, stay creative. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.